My name is Brian Sinclair. I'm a hog farmer here in North Huron County, Ontario. I'm interested in working on my well today just to prevent any on-farm contamination runoff that might be associated with going into the old well. In springtime in the March, April, sometimes May months, the water would look pretty foggy and brown. Completing the self-assessment worksheet on my environmental farm plan, I got a risk 1 rating on the old well, which is extremely high for possible contamination. By completing this project, I'm hoping to get a consistent, clean, good quality supply of water.
Good morning, my name is Hugh Simpson. I'm a staff member with the Ontario Ministry of Agriculture, Food and Rural Affairs. Today we're looking at a well constructed using a well pit. And as you'll notice, this well is covered over with a paving stone, which is problematic. What's also problematic with this well, if we open it up, is you can see that most of the well is below ground within a concrete container. Your well casing, your plumbing. And the problem with that is that water can flow into this, flooding the well, what's known as the well head, and can drain into your well if there's an opening into the well, contaminating it, polluting your groundwater supply, as well as your drinking water supply. So this well is in need of upgrading.
I called Dale Pump and Farm Service to fix the well because they are a local licensed well contractor.
We're initially pulling the pump out, and because it's in a dry well, we have to go down into the dry well, take the well seal apart and the fittings and stuff, and use planks like what we're doing to hold the clamps. Sometimes we have to pump water out of the dry well, and so this just makes our job a lot simpler. There's the pump coming out. That's what it looks like when it comes out of the hole.
Before the well can be upgraded, the old pit must be removed. A new casing will be welded onto the old drilled well casing and should be extended to bring the well to at least 40 centimeters or 16 inches above the ground surface. A bentonite clay seal will be installed around the new casing to prevent water from flowing down to the aquifer. The area will be backfilled and graded so that water flows away from the well. A number of upgrades have been made that you could make to your well. The casing has no visible defects. The well cap is commercially manufactured and vermin-proof. The venting is screened. The soil is raised around the well and there are no gaps around the well casing. The casing is at least 40 centimeters or 16 inches above the ground surface. And remember to inspect your well annually. Organizations such as municipalities and conservation authorities often deliver cost-share programs for well upgrades for farm properties. If you have a well that needs improving, it's a good idea to see if your local authority is offering cost-share programs and what the eligibility criteria are.
I feel really good about updating my well. I'm quite confident now that I can drink the water and not have to worry about what the animals are drinking as well.